today I am going to discuss number average molar mass and mass average molar mass. So if it is number, then expression for the molar mass will be m, and m will be subscript bar since it is average. So what is the reasons for average? Since polymers on the termination set, they may be in that anywhere. So that's why there will be different possibility of molecules will be there. So depending on the different number of molecules, we will express it in a lot of molecules. Imagine it having lots of molecules. So for example, if it is having n number of molecules and its molar mass is m1, if it is say n2, another one molecules which molar mass is m2, similarly there may be I number of molecules. So you multiply by n I number of molecules with I number of molar mass. So it is below n1 plus n2 plus dot 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 up to n. It's a to simplify it out for a simple expressions, if I have to express it simple, it is bar is equal to summation n I m I divided by summation of n I. This is the expression for number average molar mass. If I express out for number average molar mass, since there will be many number of molecules at the termination stage, hence polymers molar mass have to be calculated either by number average molar mass or mass average molar mass. If I have to find out the number average molar mass, then n1 number of molecules which molar mass is n1. For n2 number of molecules, if it is molar mass is n2, and similarly for I number of molecules, its molar mass is n1. And average out with the total number. So here is the one expressions. So this is representing number molar average mass, and here it is the simplified expression for the number average molar mass. Now for average molar mass, if I have to calculate out for the average molar mass, I will give the subscript capital M, bar will be here, and you multiply each one with another mass. That means n1 m1 square. Similarly below n1 is there, so m1 is extra. So here it is n2, m2 was there, so I will make it out square, and n2 will be multiplied by n2. That means you have to multiply one more molar mass, more mass on each one. So this is the way to remember ni square. So up to ni. This is the way to express the mass average molar mass. Now, if I have to simplify it out, m bar is equal to summation n I square divided by summation n. This is the way to express it out simply. Okay. So one another terms is there which has to be discussed, that is the PDI. What is the PDI? Let's move to the PDI concept. That is Polydispersity Index. Next I would like to proceed PDI. That means Dispersity Index. It's representing Polydispersity Index. If m divided by equal to 1, it's monodispersed. Monodispersed means identical monomers identical same. So if it is monodispersed, that means identical same. And there may be possibility is that is not equal to 1. Then it is called polydispersed. What is the meaning of polydispersed? differentiating length. To express these, this is the expressions. Mass average molar mass divided by the ratio of mass average molar mass with number average molar mass is called Polydispersity Index. If both are equal, that means MM is equal to MM, then it is monodisperse. Means they have identical length, identical carbon chain. Okay? And if this is the condition, then it is called polydispersed. Okay? So now let's go to Dispersity University earlier questions. I just forget to include the year. In equations, polymer in the questions it is given that N1 containing 30%, whose molecular mass is around 20,000. 20,000 can be written as 2 into 10 to the power 4. The second clue, the second one is containing 40% and its molar mass is given as 30,000. That one can be written as 3 into 10 to the power 4. And rest of the molecule, it is called as rest, so that means N3. Now, what will be the value of N3? If I sum out 30 and 40, it will be 70. So minus out 70 from 100, it will be 30. That means rest will be 30. So here, this one is not given in the question, so you have to find out. This one is the trick. So and its molar mass is given as 60,000. If it is 60,000, it will be 6 into 10 to the power 4. So this is the clue from the questions. So hence we have to find out what is the value of M and so this is the number average molar mass. The equation was N1 N1 N2 N2 plus N3 N3 divided by N1 plus N2 plus N3. Now place the value. Hence M and bar will be 30 into 2 into 10 to the power 4 plus 40 into 3 into 10 to the power 4, and for the third one 30 into 6 into 10 to the power 4, and since total number of molecules is 100, so I just placed it 100. Okay, so from the expressions I just place the values of the respective given ones. So now if I simplify it, so 60 into 10 to the power 4 plus 120 into 10 to the power 4 plus 180 into 10 to the power 4, which can be written as further it can be written as 6 into 10 to the power 5, 120, so it will be 12 into 10 to the power 5, so remove the 0 from 18, then it will be 10 to the power 5. So what will be the common value? 10 to the power 5. So if I common out 10 to the power 5, what will be the left out? 6 plus 12 plus 18 divided by 100. So that means 36 into 10 to the power 5 below 10 to the power 100. So if it is move up 10 to the power minus 2. So ultimately our expression will be 36 into 10 to the power 3. That means 3, 6, 1, 2, 3. So 36,000 will be its respective number average molar mass. Now to find out the value of mass average molar mass, first I just change out this one, then it will be square, this one will be square, this one will be square, and in the lower part it will be as follows: 6 into 10 to the power 5 for the n1 m1, and this one is m1 n1, so 12 into 10 to the power 5 will be the next, plus 18 into 10 to the power 5 will be the next here. Now simplify it just like the earlier one. So it will be 60, sorry, so now 30 into 4 into 10 to the power 8, okay, plus for the first one 40 into 9 into 10 to the power 8 for the next one, and this one is for 30, this one will be 180, oh sorry, it will be 30 into 36 into 10 to the power 8, and on the lower part 6 plus 12 plus 18 into 10 to the power 5. If I common out, it is 10 to the power 8 and it's 0, so that means 10 to the power 8. 4 3s are 12, 4 9s are 36, and 3 36, 108, okay, into 10 to the power 8. Sorry, it should be 10 to the power 9. Since I just calculate out the 0 from here, so it will be 10 to the power 9. And now 10 to the power 5 is below, and it is 6, 12, 13, it will be 36. Okay, so 10 to the power 9 minus 5 now, and it is 12 plus 36 plus 108, 108, 36, and 18. So saved by number average molar mass. So PDI will be mass. So this one is the mass value, and this one is the number average molar. So what will be the value you have to find? So this will be the answer of the question. Thank you. Let's consider one another example where you are being asked to calculate out another questions equal number of molecules with M1 is given as 10,000 and M2 is equal to 100,000 mixed. Now you are being asked to calculate M bar. You are being asked to calculate this. For such types of questions, since it is the equal number of molecules, so let's say that means N1 and N2 are equal. And for the present purpose, I just consider it setting. Then M bar will be 10 into 10 to the power 1, 2, 3, 4, so 4. Okay, plus N2, that is the 10 into 10 to the power 5, and divided by 10 plus 10. So ultimately it will be 11 by 2 into 10 to the power 4. This is simply that. It is 10 to the power 5, 10 to the power 6, so I just common out 10 to the 4, so 10 plus 1, 11 by 2. So which is the value will be ultimately 55,000 will be that. Okay, thank you.